In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook automatically deleting emails from inbox. If messages are disappearing without you moving them, it's usually caused by archiving settings, a meeting invite preference, or an email rule. We'll walk through the common places that trigger automatic deletion so you can stop it for good. First, in classic Outlook on your desktop, open File, select Options, then Advanced. Click Auto Archive Settings. If Run Auto Archive every X days is checked, uncheck it. This stops Outlook from periodically moving or deleting older items on its own. While you are here, make sure Delete Expired Items, Email Folders Only is also unchecked. That option removes messages that have passed their expiration date, which can look like random deletions. Turning both off keeps Outlook from cleaning up behind your back. You can always re-enable Auto Archive later if you want, but it's best to get control first. Next, let's stop Outlook from removing accepted meeting requests. Go to File, Options, then Mail. Scroll down to the Send Messages section and uncheck Delete Meeting Requests and Notifications from Inbox after responding. When that box is checked, Outlook tidies your inbox by removing invites once you accept or decline. If you'd rather keep a record in your inbox, turning this off will do it. Now, check the folder. Level Setting, Right. Click your inbox, choose Properties, and go to the Auto Archive tab. Select Do Not Archive Items in this folder. Even if the global auto archive is off, a folder can have its own instruction to move or delete items. Setting this ensures the folder won't be touched by Auto Archive. If other folders are affected, repeat the same setting for those as well. Rules are another common cause. Go to File and select Manage Rules and Alerts. Look for any rules that move messages to deleted items or another folder you don't regularly check. Either disable them or edit the action so your mail stays where you expect. If you are unsure, temporarily turn off suspicious rules. Test for a day and then adjust as needed. If you use Outlook on the web or the new Outlook Open settings, choose Mail, then Rules. Check for sweep rules that automatically move or delete messages, especially from specific senders or after a certain number of days. Turn those off or change them so they don't send messages to trash. These web rules apply across devices, so fixing them here helps everywhere. That's it. Thanks for watching.